Another future? Let's see. Look at the turtle! Its glow is coming back. Thank you for everything. What is that light? Wow. You're beautiful. Don't worry. I can help you. Mom! Dad! Look what I found!
A turtle?
What are you doing? Is that a picture? It's them. But how? Look how high I am. Ben is going to fall. Ben, please don't climb trees today. Why not? Just trust me. Whoa! Oh. I knew it! Another future? Let's see. That's Max. Now we can always find him. Good idea. Max, come back. Woof woof. Who's that girl? I don't know. It's the girl from the vision. Oh, go talk to her. I'm nervous. Me too. Can I sit here? Sure. I'm Emma. I'm Lily. This is fun. You're really good at this. What happened to the park? I don't know. The park looks so sad. Something must happen.
Without volunteers, we may have to close the park.
That's it. Let's help everyone. We can do it. Together. The park already looks better. Look at everyone helping. Help! That's worse than before. The future changed again. Where did everybody go? Something is still wrong. Its glow is fading. We have to help it. The festival is canceled. The park almost closed too. Maybe everything is connected. Yeah.
Communities stay strong when people help each other.
That's it. The town has 2 futures. Whoa! And we choose which one becomes real. How do we save the good future? We need to bring people together. Everyone is interested. It's working! Look at the turtle! Its glow is coming back. The bad future is gone. Its glow is different. Something is happening. Those are all the futures we changed. The turtle is showing us everything. The turtle never changed the future. People changed it. The turtle only showed us the choices. Its light is fading again. No. Where is it going? I think it's time. Where is it going? I think it's time. Is it leaving? I think so. No! It's showing us our journey. All because of one little turtle. Thank you for everything. Will we ever see you again? Goodbye, little friend. The turtle is really gone, but it left us something.
This is the happiest I've seen our town.
Kindness changes everything.
I'm glad we met. Me too. Thank you.
The future is not something we find.
It's something we build together. Hi, friends. Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye.